Yan guys. Next bout is si Aldrin Leparto versus Bones Kia ata ko partner. Hindi ko alam anong pag-pronounce nito. Aldrin kasi ang nakalagay dito eh. Shoutout Angelito Piquero from Bohol.
This bout is sanctioned 18 minutes before. Position Richard Andrew Fernandez. Three judges scoring the ringside that point pass system. Shots like Nata Abusila. Shots Gerardo Bucala. With the veterans that charge of the action. Councilor Chidoro. This bout scheduled 4 rounds of boxing. Let's meet the fighters now. The fighters fighting out of the blue court. Yesterday he weighs in. He said 104.5.
Yan guys, magandang laban to si Bones Kia and Aldrin.
Bones Kia is a pro debut. Rising star din ito. Liparto.
And he's the one that was fighting out from the red corner to my right. He wears white wig and red shorts. Official weight 104.5 pounds. Making his professional debut representing
Bout is 4 rounds, scheduled for 4 rounds.
Please welcome boxer Bones Kia.
Bones Kia nga partner.
Scheduled for 4 rounds of boxing. Fighters will win a instruction.
Okay, boxer is foul sanctioned by Muslim Court. Where we do find 4 round position boxing. Waiting to the bell. Stop right, separate stop. There's a knockout. Go to the front corner. Okay? That's lock. That's lock.
Let's see, partner.
Yes, partner. Dito natin makita yung partner.
The beginning of the first round.
First round. First round.
Tingnan natin, partner, kung may mananakap ba dito again.
Versus Aldrin Leparto. Scheduled for 4 rounds.
Boxer Kia wearing the red white. Boxer Alden Leparto.
Parehong partner.
Yes, partner.
Parehong fighter.
May lakas tong si partner, si Bones Kia.
Pro debut.
Yes, partner. So naman to si Aldrin is second fight niya rin to. Shout out kay Coach
Hey,
Jingjing
tonight we
Jimura.
are live here at the Vienna Rugby Convention Center.
Dos.
Ganda ng mga patama. Good job by Leparto. Sa tingin mo, partner, may mananakot ba na naman dito?
Yes, partner. Sa tingin ko, partner, may matutumba dito, partner. Kasi parehas gigil, partner eh. Nice 1-2. Parehas magaling to, partner eh. Partner, parehas magagaling na boxer to, partner.
So far, maganda rin yung ginagawa ni Leparto, no? Tatapon siya ng jab
Yes, partner. Yes, partner.
para makuha yung range ni Kia. So,
first round.
Good round for both boxers.
This bout, always by Sandra Jackson.
Good round. Good round partner by both boxer partner eh.
Nga pala, may tatlong international bout kami dito. May
Yes.
isang Chinese po tayo.
Stay tuned po kayo kasi meron tayong tatlong international fighters. India, Indonesia, and China.
Yes.
Alright. The knockout number 15 represents the our honorable mayor, Madam Lorraine Pacquiao. Records City Council.
Kaya partner, simula ng round number 2. Magaling din tong si partner eh. Magaling tong si Kia.
Here, wearing the white trunks.
Pero hindi napapatalo si partner, si Leparto partner.
Sa nakikita ko, sobrang gigil ni Bones. Gusto niyang i-knock out agad si Leparto. Pero Leparto nagpapato ng jab.
Shoutout kay Jizril Sanchez from Dubai. Shoutout.
Yan na napalitan. Yan. Good counter punch coming by Leparto.
Yes, partner.
Good job by Bones. Good hook but nablockan to ni Leparto yung hook ni Bones partner.
Ito yung kadalasan sa mga partner eh, mga pro debut partner kasi hindi pa nila makokontrol yung mga nila partner.
Oo.
Kasi
Good straight. Good straight by Bones.
yes. Ganda
Pasok
ng
yun, napasok. Pasok yun yung straight.
Ganda ng suntok partner.
Pasok yung straight niya. Good overhand coming by Leparto.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanonood sa Sandman Live. Paki-share po and follow po sa page. Maraming salamat po. Marami po tayong aabangang exciting bout. Nice straight by Leparto.
Galaw ni Bones ngayon. Good. Good 1-2 coming from Leparto but clinch by Bones. Good job. Dapat talaga sa laro, nagbabad ako ng jab para makita mo lahat yung galaw ng kalaban.
Yes partner kasi pag wala kang dyan partner hindi ka kala makapasok partner.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Good exchange. Good body shot by Leparto but counter by Bones.
End of the second round.
End of the second round.
Tama kayo mga kamay dyan! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we will be entertaining with over 90 rounds of boxing action here at our very elegant place, our official venue. Hit front from the fence. Second sound. Seconds up. Here we go. Start of round number 3.
Here we go, beginning of the third round.
Boxer Boxer
This is 4 rounds bout lang po.
Bones Kia against Alden Lipam wearing the red and white trunks. Third round.
Good combination by Liparto. Good body shot. But sumasagot din si Kia eh. Liparto is pressure the
Parang
the body of
iniinda
Liparto.
yung partner, iniinda yung
Hininda ni Kia yung mga body shot ni Liparto. Nasasaktan siya. But kahit nasasaktan siya po, bumabato pa rin siya eh. So, hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari dito. Good shot. Good exchange. Good counter punch coming by.
nice combination by Liparto Verde. Nice left hook by
Kia.
Grabe.
Build to build na tayo dito. Good shot coming by Kia. Hook again. Pag ganito yung ginagawa nila eh. Kasi pareho silang counter puncher eh. Kaya kanina hindi sila nagkatamaan. Pero ngayon, talagang nagsusutukan na. Nikitan.
Yes, partner. Pero
Seconds now, 10 seconds.
grabe ang gagaling nila. Guys, poros pa to. Pang ano pa lang to?
And on the third round.
Pang 4 bouts. Meron pa tayong 10 bouts. 9 bouts. Sorry. May 9 bouts pa tayo.
Okay, before the final round, fourth round, we have
Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood sa 461 viewers. Pakisuyo po kami na i-like and share po ang ating live para lahat po makakapanood. Marami po tayong exciting bout. Maraming salamat po. Starting na po tayo sa last and final round. Final round na po tayo. Grabe itong dalawang boxer to. Parang hindi nasasaktan eh. Nice combination by Kia and nice counter by Liparto. Yan. Maganda ng mga combination nila. Grabe. Ganda tingnan. Yung partner oh. Grabe talaga yung suntok nila eh. Grabe yung suntukan nila, guys. Sorry po sa lahat na nagtatanong ng lag kasi po naulan dito eh. Kaya Minsan po kasi nahina yung signal. Sorry po. Nice combination by Liparto and Kia. Grabe. Maganda ng mga patama nila. Both.
I'm back, partner. I'm back.
Yan, ganda ng patama niya, partner.
Ano nga.
Yes, partner. Grabe yung mga partner. Wow, grabe partner. Oh, grabe suntukan partner. Grabe. Grabe partner. Parang wala nang bukas. Nice round by both boxer. Grabe mga puso partner. Sa tingin nyo guys. Sa tingin nyo guys, sino ang panalo? Dol, Jarvis naman yung ganina ang grabe. Next bout is ano na po, Nicole Aban versus Jomari Pagulong. Ayan guys.
Hintayin na natin yung decision ng announcer kung sino nanalo.
Wala pa po si
Dikit din
Geraldine
dikit
to,
din.
mamaya pa po.
Dikit din talaga yung laro.
Yes partner. Sobrang dikit ng laban nila partner. Shout out Villarosa family. Araca North Cotabato.
To all our boxing fans who are here tonight, it is General Santos City.
Wala pong sunman dito sa bout na to. Wala pong sunman.
And we are
Wala pong sunman.
spectacular action of Road by Sunman Boxing.
Sa bout na to, wala pong sunman na boxers po.
Of General Santos
Walang saan man boxer per deal. Next bout po meron. Si Nicole Aban.
City of Generals under the leadership of Mayor Laurel Pacquiao. In attendance,
Mahirapan po kami mag-predict kung sino po eh.
thank you for coming over.
Dito po natin malalaman sa final final statement ng judge ng announcer. Wala pa po, mamaya pa po si Geraldine to. Pang fourth bout pa lang po ito. So, after nito, pang 5 bout. So, tagal-tagal pa po si Into. Mga siguro from 6 bouts to 6 bout is meron pang 4 po bago si Geraldine to. Yan guys, pati mga horado pati horado natin nahihirapan.
Ayaw pa, ayaw palitanan pa. Ayaw lagi.
So guys, dito na natin malalaman ang
Sino
ang
nanalo?
decision ng ating horado. Kung sino talaga ang panalo.
Judge Grupo Al Rosina scores the bout
Liparto ba o Kia?
37-39, and Judge Geraldo Bocalao scores also the same 37-39, and Judge
Dikit lang, dikit.
Mata scores the bout 38-30. We have a winner by majority decision.
Majority decision.
Boxer Alden Liparto.
Wow, good.
Si Liparto po ang
Good, good.
panalo.
Congratulations, Alden Liparto.
Si Liparto po ang panalo.
Si Liparto po panalo.
Si Aldrin Liparto, winner by majority po. Yes po, si Leparto po ang nanalo sa laban. Although magaling naman